What if I told you the secret to healthier feet is hiding in your bathroom cabinet, and it's not a foot product? We all want simple solutions for everyday annoyances, especially when it comes to foot care. Today, we're exploring a surprising method that leverages something you already own. The surprising solution. The star of this routine is a liquid you likely use every morning and night, mouthwash. But we're not talking about oral hygiene. This is about transforming your foot care with a simple soak. Benefit 1. Deep antibacterial clean. The potent ingredients in mouthwash, like menthol and thymol, are experts at targeting microbes. When you soak your feet, this solution penetrates every tiny crevice, eliminating the odor-causing bacteria that thrive in warm, damp shoes. The outcome is noticeably fresher feet and a clean sensation. Benefit 2. Help against fungal infections. Athlete's foot and nail fungus can't thrive where they're not welcome. The environment created by the essential oils and alcohol in the soak is something fungi actively avoid. Making this a regular habit helps stop those pathogens and maintains better foot hygiene. Benefit 3. Relief from swelling and minor inflammation. After a long day on your feet, swelling and minor irritation often occur. Many mouthwashes contain components that have a gentle, tightening effect on the skin. This reduces puffiness and calms redness, while also helping disinfect small blisters more effectively. Benefit 4. Instant coolness boost. The menthol delivers an immediate feeling of cool refreshment, like a gentle breeze for your skin. Plus, it neutralizes stubborn odors, keeping your feet fresher longer, even after a full day. Benefit 5. Promoting stronger nails. Your nails receive a health boost too. Thanks to its antimicrobial power, this soak helps ward off nail bed issues, leading to cleaner, more resilient nails that are less likely to discolor over time. How to use it? The simple method. For your foot bath, combine equal parts mouthwash and warm water. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Afterward, dry your feet completely, paying special attention to the spaces between your toes. Repeat this process several times weekly for best results. Conclusion. This small step in your routine makes a significant difference in foot comfort. If you found this tip helpful, please like this video and explore more smart solutions here on Natural Life Hacks.